Are there any conditions that Reiki doesn't help? Reiki is generally considered safe and non-invasive, but it's important to understand its limitations. While it may support overall well-being, there are conditions it does not directly treat or cure, including acute medical emergencies. Reiki should never replace urgent medical care for heart attacks, strokes, severe injuries, or other emergencies. Infectious diseases. Reiki does not treat viral or bacterial infections like the flu, COVID-19, or strep throat. Cancer or chronic illness progression. Reiki may ease symptoms like pain or anxiety, but cannot shrink tumors or halt disease progression. Psychiatric disorders. While it might reduce stress or support emotional balance, Reiki is not a substitute for therapy or medication for serious mental health conditions like schizophrenia or bipolar disorder. Structural injuries. Reiki won't realign bones, repair torn ligaments, or physically heal broken tissues.